How to fix the issue with Chase Bank not working. In this video, I will show you how can you easily fix the issue with Chase Bank application. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly, you need to head towards Google Play Store or Apple Store if you're an iOS device. After that, in the search bar, type for Chase Bank application. Simply click on Enter, and if you see the option of Update beside the application's name, simply click on it and do update the application. After that, now you need to head towards the setting of Chase Bank application. So for that, tap and hold on the app icon and click on App Info. After that, in the settings, you will see Storage. Simply click on it and click on Clear Cache. Now once you have cleared the cache, the application will now run smoothly, as sometimes collected cache can also affect application's performance. Now, after all this step, if your problem is still not solved, you are suggested to uninstall the application and reinstall it. So that's it. That is how easily you can fix the issue with Chase Bank application not working. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.